Watch your step coming in. Watch your step coming in.
Make sure you get your gift bags. You're exiting on the other side.
All the way to the station, you exit on the other side. We should have taken the elevator. We should have taken the elevator. All right, it's big history. Look, this is what it's like going through that.
You met everybody, you can refill that card. Welcome. Get some more maps.
Yeah, they're working. So as long as you go to the right side,
Good, huh? That's real good, huh? 1940 started.
Oh, the inaugural ride is for 31st. The first ride is for 31st.
So easy to go.